Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we took the short drive west on Highway 14 to the town of Tofield, Alberta. I have been avoiding flying Tofield because of the two airspace restrictions that cover the entire town. One is the airport and the other is the heliport at the hospital. Now, due to the fact that I forgot my aviation radio at home and wasn't willing to drive back, there isn't a lot of actual aerial footage this week, as I only had a few hundred meters that I could legally fly and still see the town. Tofield is located approximately 68 kilometers east of Edmonton and was named for Dr. James H. Tofield, an Oxford-educated doctor who served as an army doctor in the Riel Rebellion. The first post office opened in 1898 and was located on the south shore of Beaver Hill Lake. The town has moved twice, once in the early 1900s, then again in 1908 to its present location. Tofield was incorporated as a village in 1907 and a town in 1909. Tofield boasts a range of amenities, including an arena, curling rink, 4 shale ball diamonds, a 9-hole golf course, and a BMX pump track, along with several restaurants and gas stations, as well as a Tim Hortons. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if that's something you're into. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share this video with friends or family members you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.